Hello viewers, you're welcome back to this module. In this module, we're going to be diving through mean. In this module, we're going to be understand the meaning of mean and how to solve question on mean for this group data. Now, what does it mean by mean? Mean, it's also called arithmetic mean or average. Is a measure of the central tendency that represents a sum of all value in a data set divided by the total number of values. Now, the mean of a set of or group data is calculated by using the formula below. So we have the formula here of calculating the mean. Mean is equal to summation of s over n, where the summation of s is the sum of the values, sum of all the values. Where this our n represents the number of values. What does it mean by this? Summation of s, it means that when you are given a certain number, okay, all these data were given, maybe like 4, 5, 6, something like that. So you're given this number, you have to add it together. For example, we have another example here to justify, to explain it. Here we have example, find the mean of, we have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We are told to find the mean. That means that summation of s, it means that all these data, the value 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, to be added together, okay? That's the meaning of what all this was summation of s. And this it means that the total number we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. It means the numbers of values. And we have the first, second, third, fifth, and fourth and fifth. So it means that n is equal to 5 here. So to solve this problem, let's look at the solution and how to solve the problem. For mean for the on group data, we have the solution. Okay. So in this place, with the formula we have here, we have our mean. Okay. Our mean is equal to summation of s divided by what? N. Now let's place it. Let me try to place there. So let's place it. Summation of s, it means that we add everything together, all the given data here, we have it together. So therefore, mean now, pick the pen out. So therefore, we have mean, okay? Mean now, it now becomes of, that's 8, okay, plus, we have 10, we have plus, we have 12, we have plus, we have 14. The next number that is plus what? 16. Okay, everything divided by n. And n means what? Is the number of value. So this is the first value, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means that n is equal to 5. So that's divided by what? By 5. Now let's add it together. Let's sum it together. 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. That will give us a 60 divided by, now divided by 5. So when it says 60 divided by 5, it is what? 12. So it means that the mean of this given data is equal to 12. And mean is also denoted by when you have s bar, it means also mean. So you can say therefore mean, okay, our mean now is the same thing when you put bracket. S bar, it means mean is equal to 12. For this given question, to find the mean, the answer is equal to 12. It's very simple. The step by step, mean is equal to summation of s over n. Okay, this summation means that we're having the sum of all the value. It means that we add all the data given together and divided by the number of data. That is mean of mean. That is how to solve question on mean under on group data. Now let's look for my example for better understanding. So let's go to my example. So we have another example here. So look at this question now. It may little different from what I explained previously, but it's almost the same thing. So it's all the same method. So the question said average. The average of s, 3, s, open bracket, s minus 1, close bracket, plus, we have 5 and open bracket 2s minus 2, close bracket is 5. Find the value of s. We're told to find of s. And they said the average. The average, in the definition I said earlier, means is also called average or what? Arithmetic what? Mean. Average, it means that the expression is what is mean. and the mean of all these given data here, it is equal to 5. That simply means our solution, that simply means our mean is equal to 5. Mean is given as 5. That is S bar. That is symbol of mean. That is S bar. Now, since our mean is equal to S bar, so the summation of all this is equal to mean over the total number of the this data set. We have around this place our n. What will be our n? Our n is equal to, we have the first data 1, okay, 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. So our n is also equal to 5. Now we recall the formula for calculating mean. So our formula calculation mean is equal to S bar, or called mean is equal to summation of S divided by n. Now we have our mean is equal to 5. Our mean is equal to 5. So since mean is equal to 5, so let me try to run this. Since mean is equal to 5, so mean that we have 5 is equal to summation of summation. This is summation divided by it. The summation of S means that all this number we have add together. That the first one we have S, okay, plus the second one we have 3, we have plus the second one we have S, open bracket, S minus 1 close bracket. The next one we have plus what, plus 5. We have the next one we have plus what, the open bracket, that is 2 what, S plus, okay, minus, so minus minus 2 close bracket. I get now. So divided by n. Divided by n, n means the number of the value. We have the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is grouped together, it counts as 1. Okay, this one also grouped together, is counted as 1. So it means that we have our n for the numbers, it's also equal to 5. The first value, the second data, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So our n is all equal to what? 5. Now let's add it together now, so let's solve it. So in this place now, if we open this bracket here, plus times plus here, we get plus times minus here, everything will be always be open bracket, we still get the same sign there. So let me put the first open bracket, let me break it down step by step. Let me open the bracket we have here. We have S plus what, 3, okay, plus S minus 1 plus 5 minus, okay, plus, okay, 2 what, S, and then minus 2. Hope I'm correct. Hope there's no mistake here. There's no mistake. We have 5 plus 2s minus 2. Everything divided by, okay, everything divided by 5. Now let's add it together. So we have 5 is equal to, try to create space again. We have 5 is equal to, so let's call it like time to make it easy. We have S, let's bring the S together. So we have the first S, okay, plus the second S, that is S. We have our next S, that is plus or 2 or 2s. So we have other S again, we do have other S. So here we have plus 3, okay, and here we have a plus, okay, minus 1. So okay, let me add plus, let me add this one, plus 5, okay, and we have minus 1, okay, and we have minus 2. So everything divided by 5. S plus S, that is 2s, okay, plus 2s, that gives us 4s. So therefore we have 5 is equal to, we have 4s, okay. Now let's add this one together. 3 plus 5, that is what, 8, minus 1, that's 7, 7 minus 2, that's 5. So it means that plus what, we have plus what, 5. I get now everything divided by what, by 5. So that therefore the mean, that's 5 is equal to, we are, if we add it together here, in this place, let me make it easy. This one is, if, okay, let me try to write it out there. We have 4s plus 5. Everything divided by 5. So I can bring it out more. Okay, there's this space more here. I can see that from this place is the form of fraction. Why is it of fraction? So make this one also what, fraction, and then we multiply. I get now. With 5 times 5, that will give us 25, right? So here we have what, 25 equal to 1 times all this, that equals 4s plus 5. Now since you get it, then the next thing to calculate like time, let's take this 5 to other side here, okay. So now we made 4s here, 5 to other side here, that gives us what, that is 25, okay, minus 5 equal to 4s. You will be asking the question, how did I get this minus? You know, in this place, when I carry plus 5 across this bridge, this equal to is called bridge, and this equal to change any sign. That any sign that you are taking to cross this equal to, it will change. If the sign it is minus, immediately you are taking to cross. Immediately it cross this equal to, it will change to minus. If the sign is minus, immediately it cross this equal to, it will change to plus. But now we are taking plus to cross this equal to, it changes to minus. So that is why I have what minus 5. Now we have a 4s. I get now. Now 25 minus 5, that's be equal to. So let me put it here. We have a 25 minus 5. We have 20 equal to 4 s. Now to get the value of s, we divide both sides by 4. So divide both sides by 4. That is the equation of s. So 4 here 1, 4 here we have 1. So in this way, 4 cancel 4, that's gone. So 4 here 1, 4 in 20, that's equal to 5. So therefore our mean, therefore the value of s is equal to, we have 5. So to find the value of s for the given question is equal to 5. So let's look at the question and let's look at the option. So if you look at this page now, you can see that the answer is 5. So therefore the answer to this question, the option is option B. So 5 is the answer, and that is step by step and how you can solve this question and how you can solve mean question. So guys, hope you enjoyed this class. So let's move to the next module.